Hey bro, welcome to my channel. Your device ran into a problem and needs to restart. If you are using the Windows PC, then you must have encountered this problem. This interrupts your work progress or lose unsaved data files. If you're experiencing a similar problem, don't worry. In the tutorial, I will show you the solution to fix your PC's blue screen error. Your computer's blue screen error is usually caused by missing or corrupted system files, device virus attacks, registry file deletion, memory management issues, and so on. When we get a computer blue screen error, we can wait for the computer to restart. Usually, some of the computer blue screen errors will be resolved after reboot. If your computer is getting recurring blue screen errors, then you need to use the fix. Try the first method next. Method 1, check system and disk integrity. After the blue screen of death and reboot, the computer will start the automatic repair state, but it usually can't repair your computer. This will allow us to turn on the advanced options here. If your computer doesn't have auto repair turned on, you can try the operation. Turn on your computer by pressing the power button. Then wait for the computer brand logo to appear on the screen and press and hold the power button to force your computer to shut down. Then repeat the process twice again. Your computer will enable automatic repair and then it will open advanced startup. Next, you need to select Troubleshoot. Then you need to open the command prompt. I'll put all the commands used in the tutorial in the description below the video. Next, execute the following commands. Check the integrity of system files and fix the problem. Once done, execute the disk test command. Check the system disk for faults and repair them. Okay, the command is executed. Then you need to close the command prompt and select Continue to Windows. Check if your computer blue screen error is fixed. If your PC is still showing the blue screen error, then you need to try the second method. Method 2, use DISM to repair the system image. The DISM command can be used to detect a system image over a network. It needs to be executed in safe mode with networking. You need to select Startup Settings in Advanced Options. Then click Restart to enter the startup settings. Wait for the reboot to complete. You will need to press the number 5 to enable safe mode with networking. Okay, safe mode is enabled. Then you need to press Windows and R to open Run. Type CMD and press Ctrl, Shift, and Enter. This will open the command prompt as an administrator. Next, execute the following commands. Check the system file status. Pressing the up key repeats the previous command. Modify the command suffix. Scan the health status of the system. Finally, execute the restore health command. Complete all command executions. Then you need to choose to restart your computer to exit safe mode. Wait for the computer to restart and check if the blue screen error appears. If you have enabled the backup option in Windows, then it is recommended to try Method 3, use System Restore to repair Windows. You need to open the advanced startup options again. Then you need to select the System Restore option. It restores the Windows system to a previously backed up time. Follow the interface to do so. You need to select the most recent time restore point to restore. Finally, click on Finish and wait for the system recovery. After the recovery is complete, your PC will reboot. You can then check if the Windows system repair is complete. If your Windows computer consistently fails to repair, then you can only try Method 4, Reset, or Reinstall Windows. The disadvantage of this method is that it will lead to the loss of your computer system disk data, but it can fundamentally solve the blue screen of death caused by Windows system problems. You can use Windows Installation Media for Windows reinstallation. Windows installation media can be created on the official Microsoft website. After the reinstallation is complete, your computer is as good as new. Please remember to update your Windows system frequently, as this will minimize many system problems. Okay, that's all there is to fix your device with the blue screen of death. I hope my tutorial will help you to fix your Windows. Feel free to subscribe to my channel and I will post more videos about fixing your computer. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching. Let's see you in the next video.